It's a fine day here at Hastings Point. Not actually on the point, of course, in the backwater. The Lagoon runs along behind Hastings Township. Pretty nice. We got bird life. It's nice and still. Water's fairly shallow. I'm here on my Hobie Adventure Island. Oh, with its sail. Little, they call them trampolines. Of course, they're not for bouncing on. Same thing on catamarans. Got my foot pedals. Shallow water, so I've got this stick for pushing myself along on the sand. It's come in pretty handy today. I'm just putting along here, drifting, the tide's coming in. I was back that way somewhere, that kookaburra. That's where I've come from. Well, the tide's coming in, as I said, and it's filling up, so I should be able to pedal power my way out of without running aground. Yeah, there's a few little jetties here. There's one. A few boats here and there. What a lovely little spot. The thing I love about a canoe or a kayak or a yacht is that there's no motor noises. You can hear the nature. Because you can hear the nature, you can blend with the nature so much better. How can you blend with the nature when you're in a motorboat? No, never can. Goes on for a bit. I don't know for how far. It's only a bit after 2 o'clock. Oh, it's just gone 3. So I've got another couple of hours of sunlight. There's plenty of time to explore a bit further. Sam and I, Breath Art, signing off on a happy, pleasant, sunny Sunday here at Hastings Point, New South Wales, Australia.